welcome to my channel. This is Miss V here. How y'all doing today? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I made my cushion for my bench that I'm presently sitting on, that I got from Big Lots for $69.99. And I could not find a cushion for this bench. All of them were either too thick or too wide, so Miss V is going to create her own. And let me just show you how I'm going to do that. Lobby and purchase this polyfoam. The cushion will not be super firm, but it'll be comfortable enough where me and my husband can sit out here on the porch. So each one of these polyfoams has 2 in a pack, and I measured it before I went to the store. Actually, the seat part is 16 inches, so 14 inches will work just fine, because as you can see right here, it's got this little curve right here. So I'm actually just gonna put the cushion on that part, pretty much. Yes, so that'll work good. So I think I'm gonna have to use about 3.5 of these, so we'll see. And to cover it, I'm going to be using, yes, a Dollar Tree tablecloth. Why I'm using this pattern? Because Miss V, if y'all been watching my channel, I'm kind of simple. I could have gotten something with more color in it, but I decided not to. So I like this pattern, so I'm gonna use this. And the reason why I got a tablecloth is because it's made out of, what it made out of? Not regular cloth, so that when it rains, it won't. I know it has a flannel backing. In other words, it's plastic, and it's kind of soft, so it won't be that uncomfortable for us. So I'm gonna put all these items together and show you how I formed our cushion. So I think I'm gonna have to use 1, 2, 3, and maybe a half of the 4th cushion. So I'm gonna get everything laid out, and I'll be back. Foam laid out. So I did 3¼ inch foam. So I'm just gonna wrap this foam in this tablecloth using my hot glue guns. I can glue these together. Hopefully it won't melt the plastic, but we'll see. If not, I got some double-sided tape I purchased, but I'll show you some of the process. But I'll be okay back. Right here I'm showing you where I got the foam. I put it in the middle of the tablecloth, since the tablecloth was a oblong shape. These are the end pieces. They're more circular than the middle, so that's what I did. I got it laid out. Right here I'm just going to show you how I wrap the tablecloth around the foam. Right here you just push the sides, push that little corner piece in, so you can have a neat fold. As you can see, I'm having a little trouble here. Got my glue gun. I put just enough glue on there so it don't melt the tablecloth. Wasting glue all on my bed, but that's okay. So you push that corner, then you just fold it over and then just glue it down. That's what I did on all 3 corners. See how neat that is? So I'm gonna work with it a little bit here until I finally get it like I want it. Nice and simple project. You know, Miss V like nice and simple, quick and simple. Functional projects. Put a little glue down the middle. That'll kind of help me keep the tablecloth in place when I get ready to secure the ends. I'll try it again. I ain't gonna give up. Y'all know I'm not a quitter. And neither should you be a quitter. There you go. I think I got it this time. After the 3rd fold. 3 times for the Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit. I got it. So stay tuned for the reveal, everybody. Turned out, y'all, when I say I love, I'm so glad I came up with this idea. And I really like the black and gray on here. So I'm gonna flip it over, just show you where I put everything together. You can just see the seams. So you see how seamless how neat that is on the corner. Just because you do a DIY, you still want it to be neat. So I just put just enough glue where it wouldn't melt it. And this is the other side. And I can always come back and re-glue it if it comes apart or whatever. And so this is it. That's my little leftover piece of foam. I'll be using it to for other projects. So this is it. This is very cute. I like this. And so when it rains, I don't have to pull the cushion up. I can just let it sit on here, because when it rains, the way my roof line is half, like the front part of this bench gets wet. So that's why I chose this tablecloth. And I was just in Dollar Tree one day and I thought about it. I said I can use that to cover my cushions. I guess the Holy Spirit be giving me these ideas, people. I don't know where I get them from. Sometimes, you know, I get inspiration from other people and inspiration from things I see. But this one just came to me. So this is it. This is Miss V's cushion. So I made this cushion. The tablecloth was $1. And the 2 things of foam were $4.99 each. I used 40% off on them. And so I made this cushion, we just gonna say, for less than $10. And if you know anything about outdoor cushions, you know that that is a good deal. So I basically made it for almost, I'm gonna say $5, $6. We'll say I made it for less than $6. So this is it. This is my porch for right now. This is part of my outdoor decor series. I have some more videos coming up because I got to finish planting and finish I got to do one more fairy garden, and then that's going to conclude my outdoor area. And I got one more DIY. So this is it. This is Miss V. I'm going to continue to show you love and encourage you, and I'm going to always help you save on some of the things you need to get some of the things you want. Thank you and have a nice day.